Hello friends, today's topic is search a element using binary search. It is array and we give a particular value and we search the particular value using binary search. Let's start. Hashtag include iostream using namespace std is a header file. Hashtag include connu.h is a header file whose contain the getch. We use the getch hold the screen. Int main means this is a main function. Array 19 means it is array integer type and j num and start last mids and search is a integer type variables. Enter the value who want the blocks in array n means we enter the value 5. Then 5 blocks are created 1 2 3 4 5. We start this array from 1 to 5. We use the loop for because we want insert the value in blocks of arrays. C in array J. We enter the value of C in array J. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The after this condition false, the loop is terminated and enter the element in who want to use search. We enter the value of search is 4. Start is 1 means this is a start and this is a last. Mid equal to start plus 1 means the value of mid 1 plus 5 equal to 6 divided by 2 barabar 3. The meaning of mid is 3. The value of mid is 3. While array mid not equal to search, the mid array 3, the value of 3 is 3. This is mid array because mid array value is 3 and we insert the n here 3 value. Array mid not equal to search, the array mid is 3 and the value of search is 4. It is not equal, the condition is true and start less than last. The value of star is 1 and the value of last is 5. It is condition true. Then loop execute. If search less than array mid, search value is 4 and and array mid, this is array mid is 3. The value of array mid is 3. It is false. Then execute else part. Start equal to mid plus 1. Start. The value of start is mid is 3 and plus 1 matlab mean 4. The 4 is this. 4 value is this is and star remove from this part and the value of start is mid plus 1 mean 3 plus 4 equal to here point the start, and mid equal to start plus last. The value of mid is 4 plus 5 equal to 9, means the half of 9 is 4.5. 4.5 mean 4. The value of mid is now 4. And loop execute again. The condition check. Array mid not equal to search, means the array mid is 4 and the value of search is 4. The condition is false because those both values are same, and the loop is terminated if array mid equal to search, means the value of array mid equal to search. The value of mid 4 and search value is 4. This condition is true, and execute this part. Value find location mid, and we execute this program. We enter the 4 values, 5 values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We enter here 4. Value find 4 is location 4, and we explain one time more. This is removed, and this is removed, 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 remove, remove. We enter the value of array is 5, and the value of n is 5, and we insert the data in here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We enter the value of search is 15. Fifteen is not here. Then see it. Start equal to 1 means the value of start is 1. And last value is n. The value of n is 5. The last point the n. The value of n is 5 and the value of last is 5. Mid equal to start plus last divided by 2 means the value of start is 1, value of last is 5, and divide by 2. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 means 3. The value of mid is 3. The 3 is the mid element is 11 because 3 point the mid element, and execute loop. The condition check. While array mid not equal to search, the mid element is 11. We search the element 50 is not. The condition is true. Start less than last means the value of start is 9 and the value of start is 1 and the last is 5 means 1 is 9 and last is 13. Then 9 is less than 13. condition check. If search less than array mid, the value of search is 15 and the value of mid is 11. It is condition true, condition false, because the value of search is greater than and the value of mid is less than. The this part is check, else part is check, and start equal to mid plus 1. The value of start is 1 and value of mid is 3. The value of start is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Start point the here is removed and start point the 4. Here point start and mid equal to start plus last divided by 2. The value of mid is start value is 4 and value of last is 5. Then 4 is plus 5 equal to 9. 9. 9 divided by 2 and value is 4.5. It is integer. We take 4. The value of mid is 4 and condition check. Array mid equal not equal to search. The value of mid array mid is 4 and 4 contain 12 and search value is 15. Condition is false. Condition is true. Then and search start less than, if the value of start is 4 and the value of last is 5. Condition true. Then execute if parts. If search less than array, the value of search is 15 and the value of array mid is 12. Condition is false. The else part check and start equal to mid plus 1. The value of start is 12. 4. The value of start is 4 and plus 1 equal to 5. The value of start is 5. And mid means start plus last divided by 2 means 5 plus here the value of start is 5, mid equal to 5 plus the value of last is 5 and divide by 2 means 10. 10 divided by 2 5. It's check and 5. Condition check. Array mid not equal to search. The 5. The mid array is 5 and 13. The value is 13. Condition is the 30 and we search the value of 15. 15 and condition is true because the array mid is not equal to search value and start less than last. The value of start is 5 and the value of last is 5. If condition false, then loop terminate and we check if condition array mid equal to search. It is false because the array mid value is 13 and the search value is 15. It is condition false. Then execute this part. Item does not find in array. We execute this program. We enter the 4 5 values 9 10 11 12, 13, 14, and 15. Let's check again. B enter the value 5. B start here 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Because 14 is not here, then this loop is terminated and search so it the item is does not exit in arrays. Let's B execute this program again. B enter 5 values 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Who wants search array? B enter the value 15. The 15 is not here. Then the loop is terminated and so his item does not find in the array. Such B search less than element, then B this part is execute. If B search the is 9, then execute this part. Last equal to mid minus 1. The last is start is here and last is mid minus 1. If the value of mid is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, then the last is move from 2. Adds. Now this loop check again and again. It is similar. And B search A less than values. B enter 5 values 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. B want enter the element in who want you search. B enter the element is 9. Let's the B enter the value find is 1 location. The value is 9 is 1. Thank you so much.